We get asked a lot, how do I invert a vector engraving? The answer is to put an outline around whatever graphics you're looking to invert, and to make sure the outline is set to the same layer as the original graphics. To understand how this works, you need to know a bit more about how LightBurn determines what to fill when you set graphics to fill mode. To begin with, you need a closed shape, meaning a shape that is a complete continuous loop with a single shared start and end point. Shapes with separate start and end points are open and don't work with fill mode. Check out our video on open versus closed shapes for more information on identifying and closing open shapes. When you assign a closed shape to a layer set to fill mode, LightBurn tells your laser to engrave everything inside that shape. That calculation changes when you put one closed shape around another. Now, instead of telling your laser to engrave everything inside each shape, LightBurn tells it to engrave only the space between the outlines of both. In this way, each additional outline around a shape effectively toggles the area to be filled, from within certain shapes, to between certain shapes, and so on. It's important to note that this only works if both the outline and the original shapes are set to the same fill layer. If they're set to different fill layers, LightBurn will tell your laser to engrave everything inside the original graphics, and everything inside the outline as well, meaning you'll see overlapping areas engraved twice. You can always manually create a new shape to set your original graphics within, but one of the quickest ways to add an organic-looking outline around shapes is with the Offset tool. Using Offset, you can create an outline at a specified distance, determine whether the resulting outline has rounded, beveled, or sharp corners, and select whether to offset all shapes or just the outer ones. Check out our documentation for more information, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on mastering LightBurn.